Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joji, and in today's makeup, as you see, it would look exactly like this. So about a week ago, I uploaded a picture on my Instagram looking like this. I have the same t-shirt, my hair is kind of like this, and I have the same makeup. So I thought this would be the perfect time to recreate this look on my channel because lately we are not wearing a lot of makeup. And if you want to go grocery or pick up some important stuff, and if you want to put something really simple and quick, this would be the perfect makeup look for you. And what is really good about this is I actually just use one product on my eyes, on my cheek, and on my lips. It was really fun to create this look, so I can't wait to show you guys that video. Let's just jump into it. Alright guys, so before I start applying makeup, I just want to mention that if you are trying to achieve a natural makeup look, it is very important to prep your skin. What I mean by that is to actually use a skincare. So if you have a cleanser, you have a toner, and of course a moisturizer. So it is going to help your makeup blend better and sit better on your skin. And I know most of you guys know this already, but there are some few people out there that has no idea and they just thought they could use the makeup and then it would look the same. It is not, guys. Skincare, when it comes to a natural makeup, it has a really big role of achieving that look. If you have no idea, start doing it and it will save your life so much. I swear it is the best thing that you could do on your skin. And so I have already done that this morning, and I actually have a new skincare routine for spring and summer. I will have a video very soon about it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and so we can start the makeup right now. Alright guys, so I have applied the primer already, and the next step that I'm going to do is to apply the foundation. For my foundation today, I use the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, and I'm in shade 430, and I already put it here. I did put 1.5 pumps, and also I'm going to use my NYX number 3 to apply this. I like to do this when I want more natural because it applies really quick and even. And then just want to buff that around my skin. It is really good foundation, guys. Look at that. The finish is just amazing. Okay, so finished with my foundation, and the next step that I want to do is to apply the concealer, and this one is from NARS. It's the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm in shade Custard. So I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of concealer, not too much. Just focus around my eyes here, little bit, and here. Then I'm also gonna apply just on the side of my nose because that's where an even tone is. I'm gonna do this and then maybe just a tiny bit here because I feel like the foundation didn't really coat it. It looks so funny, but I'm gonna use this sponge right here. And I'm also just using my finger, like just pressing the product around my eyes just to give that extra warmth and like blend. So it's really good when you just use your finger sometimes because it can be really natural. And that's it. And the next step that I'm going to do is the brow, and I'm gonna do it really quick, and I will be off cam because it's not really the focus of the video. So yeah, I will be back, guys. Alright guys, so I am back with my brow, and it's the perfect brow that I just want on this look. I did use the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. This one is the gel. It can be really strong, so I didn't put too much. I just give it a little bit of shade and shape. And the next one that I'm going to apply is my eye primer. I am using the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot. So I'm just gonna apply that quickly. And just a tiny bit because we're still going to apply a different product. So this one, I just want to have a little bit of primer in there to just give me some grip later when we apply the product. The eyeshadow. Actually, not eyeshadow. Let me tell you guys in just a moment. And that's it. Alright guys, so I am ready to reveal my one product that I use on my cheeks, on my lips, and on my eyes. Now, the reason why I didn't set this eye primer with a powder because we are using, or I'm going to use a lipstick. And the lipstick is, of course, it's a cream. And for me, I don't want to put any powder in there because I know that it's going to crease when I put too much in there, especially when you're using a cream. This is my magic wand that I love so much. Like, it just looks so much better on the skin. It looks so natural. I do love the color. It is perfect. Let me swatch it for you guys. That kind of like, I can't explain the color. It is warmer, definitely. It has a lot of like brown and a little bit of peach, kind of brown peach, a little bit of pink, but it's in a warm tone. And this one is from MAC and the shade is called Mocha. Sounds yummy, right? So what I'm gonna do with this one is I'm gonna grab my concealer and just mix it with a tiny bit of concealer in there. And the reason why I do that as well is just, again, to give me extra grip. Like, it's going to stay better when I mix it with the concealer because the lipstick itself, it's not going to stay that long. So I'm going to use the same brush as I apply my eye primer and just kind of mix this concealer and the lipstick together and start shading my eye. So now the application that I'm going to do is I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm not trying to like really blend the edge or do something like that because it's very natural, and I'm going to use a cream. I'm starting just shading it right here. As you can see, I'm starting to build up the color. With that concealer, it just gives me a little more assurance that it's not going to crease, and it's very thin. We're not putting too much product. As you see that, guys, my blending is not very precise. I just wanted to have that nice flush in my eyes, and the same thing with my cheek. Then just bring it a little higher, but not so much. And this look later would make sense once we apply this on the cheek and on the lips. And there you go. That's all I want. And let's do the other eye. So that one that I swatched, I just used that. I'm gonna just grab a little bit more and use a little bit more concealer as well. So I'm talking about this much, guys. Okay, so after applying that eyeshadow on my eyes, or lipstick rather, I'm going to apply the eyeliner from Clinique. This one is Intense Chocolate, so it's a brown color, so just to give it a little bit more depth around my eyes. So I'm gonna apply it closer to my lash line. So I'm just gonna do a really thin line in there. Don't worry if it's going to be not perfect, because we are going to smudge it after. In there, and then that's how much I need. I'm going to use this brush right here. This is really tiny. This one is Royal and Langnickel C441-8, and then just smudge this before it completely dry. So there you go, guys, that is the eyes, and I just did that really nice smudge eyeliner. It's not really perfect, like I said. This whole application, it's not about precision and perfect. This one is just to look a little bit more done up and just to feel better that you have something on, right? So the next step I'm gonna do is, of course, my cheek, and we're going to use the same product. I can't wait to show you this, guys. So I'm taking this one, I'm just gonna use it and taking it from the lipstick. Or what I would do is put it around or at the back of my hand and then start grabbing the product from there. So by that one, it's not super strong. I'm gonna focus a little bit more onto the front area of my cheek because I want a little more youthful, like something like that. A little bit more baby, I think. So there you go, guys. It is so pretty, oh my god. And I'm using the end of this beauty blender to kind of fade this application away. There you go. That's just what I want. I do really love and enjoy this look so much that I was thinking like, oh my god, I have to film something like this. This is so interesting. Okay, and the next step that I'm going to do is the lips. But for the lips, on that picture, I have faded on the outside and more stronger in the inside. So what I did is I actually grabbed a concealer and just correct my pigmentation, like my lip pigmentation around it, so that I can achieve that type of look. So what I did is I grabbed concealer, again, put it at the back of my hand, and then start filling out or apply this in the lips. So don't worry, it look funny, but once you put the lipstick, it would look really nice, guys. Just correcting around my nose too. And that's how my lip looks like now. It's funny. Anyway, so let's apply the lipstick and this look would be so much better. Because right now I do look creepy, right? Let's put this mirror away. I don't need that. And then start applying. And just do kind of... use your finger to spread the product. And again, this application is not perfect. I did apply a little more messier on the edge. It's not very careful of applying. That's like the style. And then I'm going to grab the actual lipstick and apply it closer to my lip, like inside my lip. And that, guys, that lipstick looks really good. So the next step that I want to do is, of course, I want to do the mascara and the bronzer. So for the bronzer, I'm going to use the NARS bronzer. I do really love this, and I'm going to use this Yakio brush also from NARS. And then I'm going to put just a tiny bit. I'm not going to do a lot of bronzer because I just want to add just a little warmth, but not too much, because this look is supposed to be like fresh and natural. I don't want to define so much. And then what I want to do is I want to grab my blending brush and just going to apply a tiny bit of bronzer around my eyes, just to give it a warmth tone as well. And then that bronzer that you do is also going to set that lipstick around your eyes so that it doesn't run away. And then it's time to apply the mascara. I will be back with the full look. And this is it, guys. This is the final look. I did apply a mascara. I also used the NARS Crystal Translucent Powder to set my makeup. And as you see, that was really quick and also very simple. So if I wasn't talking a lot, this would take me about 10 to 15 minutes and that's it. So if you want to go grocery or walk around to get some fresh air or walk your pet around, and if you want to put something on your face just to feel better, this is the perfect makeup look for you. You don't have to use the same product or the same color like what I use here. You can choose a different color, something that you really love, and it will work. And if you try to recreate, it will be so much fun. I did not use a lot of products, so it's really good. So if you guys find this video useful and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye!